Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is cancer, and a remedy for it, that is CAR T cell therapy. So let us first talk about this, that what is the incidences of cancer in India. You can see that there has been around 1.46 million cases of cancer in 2025. That is roughly around 14.6 lakh cases. Now, when we talk about this, it is said that 100 out of 1 lakh are diagnosed with cancer in India. India has the third highest burden of cancer after China and US. But when we talk about the rate, here you will find that China is having a rate of 201 per lakh population, whereas United States, they have an alarming rate of 367 cases of cancer per lakh. In case of India, if we are talking about the states which are having the highest burden of cancer, we will find that on first number we have UP, then it is followed by Maharashtra, then West Bengal, then Bihar, and then Tamil Nadu. So these states are having the highest burden of cancer cases in India. Now, when we talk about this, that how many cases of death occur due to cancer every year. So as per World Health Organization, there has been 9.1 lakh deaths annually. This is the figure of 2024. So on an average, around 9 lakh people are dying every year because of cancer. Cancer has in fact become one of the major challenges for Indian population as well as global population. Now, let us try to understand this. Like when we talk about the cancer, there is a very much famous solution for it. And that is something which is CAR T cell therapy. A very famous solution for this, that is CAR T cell therapy. This is something which is related to your GS paper 3 syllabus. It is related to your GS 3 syllabus. You can be getting question from this in prelims also as well as in mains examination also. Now here, when we talk about this, first of all, we have to understand that what exactly is T cell. Then we will try to understand what is CAR T cell. So when we are talking about the T cell, it is a part of white blood cell. In our body, in blood, you may see that we have RBC, we have white blood cell, we have platelets. So among the white blood cells, we have a very prominent cell called as T cell. What is the role of this T cell? The role of the T cell is quite simple. It is there to eliminate the harmful cells, including the cancer cell. So our body has an inbuilt mechanism to fight against the cancer cells, and that is in the form of T cells. So T cells are there to eliminate any such cancer cell. Now the question is, if we are having a fight back mechanism, if we are having a defense mechanism, so then why people are having cancer? Why there is a higher prevalence of cancer among people? If we are having the T cell, then what is the reason? When we talk about this, that why the people are having the cancer, it may be because of the inability of the T cells to identify and eliminate the cancer cell. There can be n number of reasons for this. It can be because of the lack of immunity. It can be because of environmental factor. It may be because of tobacco consumption. It may be because of alcohol consumption. It may be because of the contaminated food items. It can be caused due to polluted air. It can be caused due to UV radiations or other harmful radiations which can cause cell mutation. So in fact, despite having this T cells, there may be the inability of the T cell in order to identify and eliminate the cancer cells. So now in this situation, we have a solution, and the solution lies in the form of CAR T cell therapy. So here you may be aware about now the T cell. So this CAR, which stands for chimeric antigen receptor, So this is a monoclonal antibody. Monoclonal antibody means it is a type of protein which has been created in lab. This is a protein which has been created in lab and it is having a single target. So what is the target of this CAR, the chimeric antigen receptor? This CAR, it is going to help the T cells. How it will be helping? It will be helping the T cells to identify and kill the cancer cells. It is going to help the T cells to identify and kill the cancer cells. Then how it is going to work? How this is going to work there? See, there is a simple flow chart through which you can understand it. First of all, if there is a cancer patient, there is an extraction of blood from that patient. The blood is extracted from there. From that blood, the T cell is identified and separated. From there, we have the separation of the T cells. Now that T cells is added with CAR in the lab. In the lab, there is addition of CAR, that is chimeric antigen receptor, to the T cells. Then we are making multiple copies of this CAR T cells. In the lab itself, we are going to create multiple copies of this CAR T cell. Once we have got millions of copies of CAR T cell, then it is infused back in the patients. Then after, what we see that the CAR T cell attaches itself to the cancer cell and then it kills that cancer cell. So CAR T cell is one of the option to eliminate cancer, one of the option to cure cancer. Now there is one thing. So is it a solution for all type of cancer? Can we solve all type of cancer with the help of this CAR T cell? The answer is no. We cannot kill, we cannot eliminate all type of cancer with the help of CAR T cell. Here you will find that it is mostly blood related cancer which can be solved with the help of CAR T cell therapy. We will find that in case of solid tumors, in case of the cancer in different part of the body, this CAR T cell therapy is not that much effective. It is not that much suitable. However, the research is going on for multiple such cancer, multiple such solid tumors also where CAR T cell can be used. But as of now, it is mostly applicable in cases of blood related cancer. Do we have an Indian variant for this? Do we have any such Indian variant for this? The answer is yes. We have one thing called as NexCAR19. This is an indigenous CAR T cell therapy. This is an indigenous CAR T cell therapy which is for B cell related blood cancer. So this is one of the part which is for B cell related blood cancer. Now I have a question for you. The question is this: can you tell me what is the most common cause of cancer among men and women in India? I am repeating the question once again. What is the most common type of cancer among men and women in India? This is something which you have to answer in the comment box. Okay. So thank you everyone for watching this. All the best. Thank you.